Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn how to use an inflator in your car and how to check the pressure with the inflator and how exactly it works. We are using a Hyundai inflator in this video, which you can easily purchase from Amazon. I'm going to give you a link in the description to buy it directly from Amazon. So yeah, let's get started with the video. So friends, if you encounter a puncture somewhere on the road in your car and you do not know how to puncture your car, there is no puncture shop nearby, or you have the puncture kit but you are not aware of how to fix the puncture, then this tire inflator will help you inflate your tire instantly and get you to the nearest garage. No need to stand in the queue at the petrol pump to top up your tire air. Simply plug it in your car cigarette lighter socket, fix the hose, brass, valve to your tire and switch it on and you're done. So that's only thing you have to do. And this inflator, what I'm using right now, is the Hyundai digital tire inflator, which I'm using now since 3 years, and it has been a great companion for me overall. So guys, before filling in the air to your tires, please check the recommended tire pressures on the door panel and don't exceed that recommended pressure, which will be better for your tires. So I'm unboxing this right now. As you can see, this is the Hyundai digital tire pressure 300 psi it is, and it has a long charging cable. I tell you guys, this is so long that it will reach all 4 tires of your car, as well as it has given a nozzle which will fit in your football, cycles and everything else as well. This is a charging point. I'll connect it with the charging socket, 12-watt charging socket, which we have in the car. So this is that long wire that it will also reach the next car standing beside your car. So that long it is. So that's a really good thing what Hyundai has made with this tire inflator. So now, as you see, I have connected the inflator charging socket. Now I do not have to switch on the car completely, I do not have to turn on the engine of the car. I can just put on the accessory mode of the car so that I can have electric supply for my tire inflator. So that's all I have to do. Do not switch on the car for this purpose. So as you will see, the digital display of the inflator is on now. There is a good feature in this for the flashlight as well. You have a good flashlight while working in the night time, and also it has a SOS lights, which will help you get help from other people as well. You can put this light on the top of the car, on your roof, and this will let people know that your car has been broken down and you can get some help from somewhere, at least if you are somewhere on the abandoned road or something. So yeah, let's go out of the car and check the front tire pressure, how much it is. As you can see on the left part of the inflator, it has a pipe hose over there. So you have to put this hose into the brass valve what you have in the tire. You just roll it up and fix it in. As soon as you do that, you will see that there is a pressure. What is showing PSI level is already 38.5 right now. So the tire inflator won't switch on and won't fill in the air in this particular tire. Why? Because it has already recommended pressure. It has. So let's check the back one. I'm putting in the back one and see, it's 39 in this tire. So even in this tire it won't switch on because I already have enough pressure in the car. So that's a really good feature of this, that it is auto shut off and also do not work when the PSI level is just fine. So that's also good, unlike manual ones which will won't let you or give you an alarm that it's enough now and you have to stop it. So that's a really good thing in this tire inflator. So that part, the overall, this tire inflator is really good, that it will be a great help overall for your tires. So yeah guys, that was all for today. If you have liked this video, please give a thumbs up. Please comment down if you want to know anything more about the cars, and if you have any topic in mind, you can let me know and I'll make video for that as well. Thank you so much for watching and giving your time for this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, which will really help both of us, for you to get more knowledge about the car and for me to grow as well on the channel. So I can make new videos and more videos for you guys. So yeah, please share this video if you can, and thank you so much for your time. We will meet you in the next video. Till then, have a nice one and goodbye.